how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear browsing history on Google Chrome. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon or the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the drop down menu, what you can do is you can just tap on history. And now here, once you're inside the history section, what you can do is you can just tap on this option that says delete browsing data. And once you tap on it, it will show you this particular section. Now from here, you can just select what you want to delete from your Google Chrome. And now here at the top right side, you'll see the time range drop down as well. Now from here, you can select the time, or you can just select all time as well according to your preferred needs. And here, once you're done with all that, you can just tap on delete data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can delete the browsing history on Google Chrome. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.